Hey everyone, and welcome back to Meshi TV. In today's video, it's a very special one with very special guests. Maybe yes, maybe no, we'll find out. I wanted to film a quick unboxing, as you can tell by the title. And no, we're not unboxing my little rose quartz. I just thought I would bring it along because it helps us. And as you can tell, my entire surface is completely sanitized. Oh yeah. All right, so FedEx just arrived like 2 seconds ago, so naturally I thought that we would just quickly do an unboxing because I know most of you are dying to open this. And let's begin. So the first thing that I got is this beautiful box. Beyond the actual surprise box, I also placed an order for other things. So let's just dive into what I actually got. Is that all of it? Yes, it is. Okay, so first of all, beautiful little box. I'm pretty sure that we can use this for something. Bring in your hand. Thank you. Okay, that's number one helper. Okay, so the first thing that I got was this metallic monthly adhesive tabs, which I've been really wanting to get. Thank you. I've been really wanting to get. This is what happens when you're quarantined and you have helpers, whatever. So these are, looks like they're all 3 colors foil tabs. I'm not gonna spend too much time on it. No. Let's just move on. And I bought this I Am Enough journal. I don't know if oh my gosh, I have a feeling that I didn't buy the right one. No, I didn't. I was wanting to buy, I mean, I will use this, but I wanted to actually get the goal setting booklet, so I
if you don't want it, I can have it.
No, I will still use it, but okay, let's just look inside. What does I Am Enough mean to me? Like, this is more like journaling where we can kind of dive a little bit deeper. I will still use this, but I totally thought that I bought the goal setting one. Okay, you can bring your arm in and take it. Thank you. All right.
Can I take
now is the thing that we've been waiting for. The thing. Oh my god.
Okay, let's
okay.
Open it.
Okay, calm down. Like, we don't need to break the setup. Okay, let's just. You know what? I think I have.
Oh, so it's just
yes, I have a cutter. Basically, they designed this in a way
that's like summer. Spring, whatever.
Okay, are you ready? I'm ready. Oh, shut up! Wow! Okay, all right. Are you guys doing it? Calm down, Bambies. Okay, let's zoom out. Okay, let's start with this.
We need to do some meditation after this.
Basically, we do. God knows that we need it.
Is that a candle?
I don't know.
It's a cup. Wait,
it is so cute.
What is it? What is it?
It's a cup.
Oh, it's a cup.
Actually, we should look at the card.
There's a planner.
Okay, shh. Okay, so okay, calm down. Okay, so this is number 2. It's a ceramic planter. Well, we will absolutely use this.
Yep.
So here's the card with all of the things, and basically the box in itself. I don't know if you can tell. I will show you guys like a close-up. Okay, so what's going on here? What's this?
I'm having that.
This is okay. Wait. Okay, so this one says it's a vision journal coiled notebook. Okay, let me get everything out and then we'll go through it together. How about that? Hang on. Okay, here we go. So
I thought
this is a petite journal. That's funny. Okay, here's what we actually did get.
You're gonna give me some things that are in. You're not gonna keep all of them on.
Okay, so there is welcome to the best decade of your life.
What?
Okay.
What's the best decade of your life?
This is basically a vision journal.
Vision journal.
Write a vision, make it a plan, getting started on creative visions. I feel like, is this the same? I'm going to see if this is the same prompts as, does it give you a calendar or not really? And then you have like dotted and note and line paper. Okay. My vision here, vision created. Okay.
That's so cool.
That is so cool. I'm sure that we will use this together.
Someday.
Okay. I guess I'm going to give this to my handy helper. What do you think? Do you like it?
I'm gonna take it.
Okay,
I'm gonna take the next thing.
Okay. Let's. Oh, come on, are you
I'm
serious?
keeping that. No, mommy.
So what's included? So
Sharing it.
I'm not understanding these minis.
Me either.
What happened? Did we give up on production
Did we
halfway
shrink
through?
them? Do we shrink them?
Like, how are you supposed to write with this? You know what I mean?
I
Like,
could write with them.
did we become like tiny little humans that are
We're tiny little humans.
right?
We're-
Like
I'm-
this,
I'm a
I feel like
tiny-
they're very cute color. And what's this?
What's that?
Oh, I know what that is.
What?
Oh, I see what you. Okay, girl. I see what you're doing here. I see. These are basically just the pen part, and then this is the handle. And
You
then,
can have the handle. I'll have the
no,
little
but
pen.
you put it through, and then this way you can actually write with it. So this is interchangeable. Okay,
Or you
not
can-
bad.
or if you have
Yeah,
the-
that's what it says. That's exactly what it says. It says interchangeable pen kit. So you're getting a barrel, and then you're getting a fine tip, and 2 highlighters, and 1 medium tip. All right, I like it. We can move on.
No, I grabbed it.
Okay, well, somebody's gonna grab it.
I'm grabbing
Oh my gosh, and
Then
she's
you're-
grabbing it like an animal. Let's move on.
Washi
You
tape.
guys, okay, stop grabbing it out of my hands. So this washi tape, I've seen, I've seen people talk about this online, and I've seen it in being used. These are 2 rolls.
Wait, what?
These are 2 different rolls. One of them is just dots. Let me take the paper off so that
That
you can
doesn't
see.
make any sense.
No, it does. Watch. Let's get you guys zoomed in a little bit.
Look, you can put.
I know you can put it
That's
on
so
this-
cool.
Yeah, try not to though.
Why?
Okay, anyway, here.
How is it?
Basically,
feel?
this is what this is, okay?
Oh.
Well, okay, that's not the impressive part. This has all the hours, and I've seen this online, people using it, and this one has dots.
I didn't see that.
Well, I'll show you how you can use this, but
Show them.
these
Show
are
them
like
the style. Show them the style.
I am.
I don't think they.
See, these are just dots, but what you do is in your daily planner, you just kind of put it on the sidebar, and then maybe we'll use this at our next plan with me. I like this. I will use it. I think that no, not your hand.
I'll take one. I'll take one.
The struggle is real. Okay, another petite planner. This one is a journal. Let's unwrap it. Let's just stick it here. Okay, just set it aside, guys.
I want to stick it together.
Paper. Thank you. Okay, this is your. It's just packaging. Okay, what's happening here?
You're giving me one thing.
Yes. Oh, I remember seeing this too. I feel like, well, I feel like this might actually be a permanent part of. Yes. Oh, I'm totally going to use this. It's either that or my husband is going to get it. But basically, you can use this for like meal planning or whatever you want. And then on the side, you have these dots. So that can be your to-do list, or that can be basically whatever you want. But if you look, the dots kind of align with this.
Yeah.
I like it. I think I'm going to use this. Let's move on. Do you want to? Thank you.
You're getting.
Ooh,
faster.
and a checklist. Yes. Oh, it's a cleaning checklist. Okay. And there's more. All right.
I didn't know that there's more.
Neither did I until
I thought this was just the end.
No, but now I actually realize that I need to place another order, but that's totally besides the point.
We're gonna do.
Okay,
lots of unboxing.
let's just unwrap this. I'm sorry, guys, for noising with this.
So noisy. Wait, you're
Noisy.
gonna pass me.
Okay, so basically this is. So it looks like this is a pad where you can write down a daily. It's like a daily clean.
That
They're
is
calling
so
it a daily
cute.
cleaning checklist. Personally, I think that you can use this for
Anything.
anything. It would not surprise me if you could use this for like meal planning or chores. Chores? I don't know. Do you guys know anybody who needs to do some chores? Maybe?
Me.
Yeah. High five. Okay, guys, I can take all the hands out. Anyways, here you go. I like it. I don't know why people. And then you also get.
I have it. I want it.
Nobody's having it. Only mommy. Mama is having
Okay, let's unwrap it. This looks like a foiled It's got some gold foiling happening.
Is that
These are
it, or is
all,
there-
yeah, you basically get one sheet.
Oh, great.
And then I know exactly. Oh, great.
Oh, great.
20
This is all we
minutes
have.
is all it takes. It looks like you're getting some decorative. This is all decorative stickers, and
I could
let
use
today
that.
be the start of something new.
I could
Embrace
use
the
that- I
change.
could use that in one day.
Yeah,
that one
basically,
day.
you can use it for like one single day of decorating. Thank you. This is it. Here is the close-up of everything that was included in the box. I really like it. Oh, and also let's not forget about the box in itself, because the box is actually reversible. So, okay, let's actually discuss this. Now that we have unboxed the entire thing, I'm going to try to like leave everything in frame for you guys. But basically, I would actually like to just chat about, like, do I think, especially for those of you, not so much those of you that are in the States, because this question generally comes up, is the surprise box worth it? Me being new to Erin Condren, and this is my first surprise box, I like the fact that you know, I don't have like a ton of experience with previous surprise boxes, but here's my take on it. When I'm looking at all of the things that I have received, and I know that it's always going to be sort of you're taking a chance on, like, will I use it, will I not? But I mean, if you're a planner and if you love planner accessories and things like that, I'm pretty sure you're going to love this. If you're in Canada and you're wondering, is it worth it with waiting, and is it worth the exchange rate and the shipping? I mean, keep in mind, guys, if you are in Canada, you're still going to be paying shipping rates, so that's still absolutely happening. Was it worth it? I have to be honest, to me it was. I would probably still order it again. I will use everything that was here, potentially not fulfilling all of the things that I needed, but I mean, that's one of those things where, you know, like, I love the petite planners. I've been using them. If you have seen any of my previous videos, you already know that I'm a huge fan, and I think that any type of outlet that you have that makes you a bit more intentional are going to be excellent tools. What is your take on it? I feel like you're obsessing over like pretty much everything that's here in front of us right now.
I would say I would take everything.
What would you use? Okay, let's talk about this. So what would you use this for? What would you use like the color stickers for?
I would use it for my planner. 'Cause I have-
In your monthly planner?
no, my kids' planner.
Yeah, your monthly kids planner.
Yeah.
Okay. And what about the pens? I like these pens. My only worry really is that if these colors are I can't help but feel like if these colors are limited edition and then you start actually using them full time in your planner, then
Yeah.
you're not gonna be able to repurchase them, and then it becomes kind of an issue.
It would be better if it had more colors, because this just has like.
This washies, I believe these are actually permanent items that you can purchase separately now on the Erin Condren website. I will keep you guys updated. I will just leave a quick note in the description so you can take a look. Now, with regards to the journal, and like, I love this. Oh, I feel like that's separate, so let's not bring this guy in. Wasn't there two things? So like, I mean, I like this. I think that there's multiple different uses for it. I think it's awesome. Is this something that I needed right now, right this second? No, but I mean, if it comes in, like, that's not really going to be like the big bulk of your box. This thing I love, and I think it looks absolutely stunning. And even if, to be honest, even if I didn't order separately the I Am Enough journal, then I would still be compensated, because now this is the Vision Journal notebook. So I very much feel like it's almost like our theme right now for 2020 is very much about visualize and really just create the year and the life that you want to live, you know? So these are absolutely the tools that really just, it makes me so happy, because I'm constantly reminded of what are the tools that you need to have around you to live a more intentional life. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you feel about planning? I feel like you've been watching this whole thing of like the planner journey unfold. How, like, as a kid that's in school, how do you feel about it?
It's good. I wanted to bring a planner to school
Yeah.
to be my agenda.
Yeah.
And then my dad forgot it.
That's okay. Well, you know what? You can. Well, we have a little bit of a break right now from school, so maybe you can.
3 weeks.
I know.
3 weeks.
How do you feel about it?
I love it. But I
Do you
feel
do you like being home here with all of us?
Yeah.
That's nice.
But
Well,
soon I'm gonna get bored.
I don't think you will, because I think that you're learning something new every day.
Yeah.
You know, and like you've been learning how to cook.
I have enough time to plan.
You do, which is what we want. Like, I want to show you how to use some of these tools, and you learn how to fill these out, maybe get you something like this where you can actually start utilizing it and start writing in your little plans.
So, guys, if you don't know, that my kids planner, it came with the sticker book, and I lost it because I brought it to my grandma's house and I lost it, and it's still not here. So pray for me.
The stickers that came with the planner
Yeah.
or the book?
The one that said the one that said too cool for school, right?
Oh my goodness, you lost it. Well, you know what we have to do? Order you another one. Maybe. I'm not promising anything. You didn't hear it from me. Okay, this is all I have for you guys. If you're wondering, was it worth it? In my opinion, it was. I like everything that came into this box, but I mean, it also, a lot of it, I have to say, and I think that this part needs to be really, really highlighted, that it also depends on your own planning style. Because if your planning style really involves a lot more in your life planner and you never actually touch the little petite planners, then I think that you're probably going to hate this box. And you might find that, you know, like the stickies and even the stickers and the markers, you may or may not end up using them. But I mean, for me, I'm kind of looking at each individual item, and I love the fact that we're placing such a high importance on visualization, we're placing a high importance on journaling, and you get actually structured tools that can get you there. So if you can look beyond, you know, the decorative things. I mean, Erin Condren has always done such an amazing job of just creating such beautiful visuals. Like, her and her team always do such a spectacular job at that. But look beyond what, you know, like why you want these tools to begin with. And for that, I think this is an absolutely great value. I think you're going to love it. If you haven't ordered it, then just wait for the next one, the summer box. This is the spring collection. I believe that it comes out quarterly, so I think that
spring.
That was the one that was available. They just came out with this right now. This is all I wanted to share with you, and I wanted to thank my little helper here, Sophie. Say hello.
Hello. I'm gonna have a channel. And it's
Okay,
gonna
so we're not gonna talk about that, but
Okay, great.
but I wanted to thank you guys for joining us for this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it and you liked it. If you did, you already know what to do. You can give us a thumbs up. You can also
See ya.
and you can also subscribe to the channel, and just keep a lookout for more planning videos from me. And we're also going to be bringing out some more content on anxiety management and on how we can sort of live a more intentionally driven life. And in the meanwhile, keep planning, keep journaling, keep creating that intentional life. And I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye!